Are you really saving money with Fuelify Gas Card, or is it just another clever marketing trap? Today, we dive deep into the Fuelify Gas Card and uncover the facts behind the promises you see online. Fuelify is promoted as a quick and easy way to save on fuel, boasting big discounts, instant savings, and simple approval, making it sound like a no-brainer for anyone looking to cut fuel costs. But when we examine the claims more closely, things get a little murky. There's very little verifiable information about the company behind Fuelify, and no clear evidence that the advertised discounts are consistent or real. Independent reviews and real user experiences are scarce, which makes it difficult to trust the hype surrounding this card. The sign-up process often asks for personal information without explaining exactly how it will be used, and some hidden fees or confusing terms may be buried in the fine print. While the card could potentially offer some savings, the aggressive marketing tactics like limited-time offers and urgent prompts raise eyebrows and mirror patterns seen in other fuel card scams. Unrealistic fuel savings claims with no proof, lack of transparent ownership, and minimal third-party verification are all warning signs that should make you pause before jumping in. On the other hand, the concept itself isn't inherently bad, and some users might see a benefit if everything works as advertised, but the lack of transparency makes it hard to feel confident. Overall, Fuelify Gas Card presents an interesting idea for fuel savings, but the surrounding marketing, lack of evidence, and potential risks mean anyone considering it should proceed cautiously and fully understand what they're signing up for. In this video, we break down all these points so you can make an informed decision without falling for exaggerated claims or hidden pitfalls. Fuelify may have some benefits, but the reality is far less clear than the flashy ads suggest.